Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 5. What quantity of electrons is lost when 1 mole of ion 2 ions is oxidized to ion 3 ions? A. 0 mole, B. 1 mole, C. 2 moles, D. 3 moles. So what we are looking at here is oxidation of ion 2 ions to ion 3 ions. Now ion exists in or exhibits two oxidation numbers or states. So after ion loses electrons, or ion can lose electrons in two ways to exhibit two different oxidation states. So it can have an oxidation number of +2, that is as ion 2 ion, or it can have oxidation state of +3 as ion 3 ion. So this is written as Fe2+, this is written as Fe3+. So given this state, this shows that the ion in ion 2 is left with 2 valence electrons, while this is left with 3 valence electrons. That is based on their structure, their ionic structure. Now ion 2, which is this, can further be oxidized to ion 3, which is to this state. And how that can happen is if it loses another electron. So ion 2 is formed when the ion atom loses 2 electrons, while ion 3 is formed when the ion atom loses 3 electrons. So in order for this to happen, that is in order for ion 2 to be oxidized to ion 3, what you have looks like this. So you have this reaction, meaning that 1 electron will be lost in order for ion 2 to be oxidized to ion 3. Now since only 1 electron is lost, it means 1 mole of electron is lost. That is the quantity of electrons lost. Since it's just 1, it is 1 mole, and 1 mole is option B. So option B, 1 mole, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and past questions and answers.